Alright, so we're starting the video off outside, just to show you guys that I do still have the 3.8T Genesis. I haven't done much to it since. I haven't made any videos about it because there's really nothing left to do but to build the motor. And honestly, I want to get the LS Gen finished before I start doing that. So in the meantime, I just wanted to show you guys this is still here. I see all your comments. I know you guys still want to see it, but there's nothing much to do except for race it. So let's get back to the video. I have some cool things to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode, I guess. Today we are going to be, well, I guess I don't know where I'm going to be starting this off with. I'm trying right now to work with a pedal setup. So as you guys know, the Hyundai uses a can-based pedal, which is this right here, and it's got the little throttle position sensor right there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to wire it into the OEM TAC. The TAC module off of a LS harness. So what I'm trying to do right now is get a drive-by-cable setup working. So I got this pedal out of the junkyard from a FC for about 10 bucks. My local junkyard was pretty cool. And right now I'm trying to figure out how to mount it up. So I tore back all of this carpet and I took out the OEM pedal, and what I think I'm going to do is mount it somewhere right along here just for temporary use, and then I'll make a bracket teeing off of it or going into these bolts sometime later on. So, but for now this is just for temporary use to see where I like it, where I want the pedal, if I want to sit further back and not. So I've already tore out all this carpet and stuff just because, you know, in case I want to mount it to the firewall instead later on. You never know. So I'll do that right now. Alright, so let me pause my music real quick. Alright, so we got the pedal mounted. I just spray painted a bit, but it's looking nice and good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, the brightness is all the way up. But I got the drive-by-cable pedal mounted. Nice and neat in there. I painted it gloss black, so it's probably really hard to see. Oh, nice. It's also dripping paint because I can't paint. So, yeah, that's cool. But time to get the cable hooked up, make sure it extends all the way and goes straight through the firewall. So yeah, cool. Hello again. Well, I don't remember where I left off last. I think it was with the pedal, but I do have a few good things. So as you guys know, this car didn't come with an interior. Actually, let me grab my... So as I was saying, as you guys know, this car didn't come with an interior. It didn't come with any door cards or a center console, so I got a brand new center console with a radio. It is silver. I kind of hate it, but it matches the door cards that I have. This door card came with the car, but it didn't have a window regulator, so I put a new regulator in there, and now I'm trying to find the connector with the panel. This door did not come with a door card. Actually, this didn't even come with a door. So I bought this door a while back, put it in, and then I just got a door card with it. All the buttons work and everything work. Like I said, I got this little radio unit in, and something pretty cool I had custom made from someone on Instagram. I forgot, I'll put the name probably like right here-ish, but it's a custom plate that's 3D printed that's gonna have 4 buttons on it. One for the start, one for the fuel, probably one for accessory, and then I guess whatever one I'll figure out for right here. But yeah, this is gonna be a little switch panel because, as you guys know, this one won't function. And then what I'm probably going to do is, let me try to find it. This is the little fob that you put your key in so that it recognizes it in case your battery dies. I think I'm going to try to extend these wires and try to hide it somewhere under the center console. Well, you guys probably can't see that, but that's the center console. Probably try to hide it somewhere under there so that way, you know, I can still have that accessibility for when, you know, my key dies, which probably won't ever happen, but yeah. But I have my swap kit kind of thing. I have the master cylinder clutch rod to the short remote Willwood thing coming this week, so that's going to go on the back of this, and it's going to go in here and attach to this where the OEM one went, and then I'll be able to put all the pedals in my car, and then it'll finally feel like a car again. So pardon the mess, my roommate had his biker friend in here, and he kind of left all his stuff in here. But I showed you guys the interior in the last clip. That guy is cutting. They're building houses next to my house, which is very rude. So anyways, I showed you guys the interior, but for now we have something a bit cooler. We officially have the clutch pedal adapter for the Willwood shifter. Turn the brightness up. The clutch pedal adapter, it comes with this little plate, and it comes with this end plate, and then this little end plate right here screws onto the Willwood master cylinder. That is on back order from ISR, so as for right now I only have this, and this technically isn't enough to fit inside the car because I still need the rod that attaches from here to the actual master, which screws into that little slotted thing right there, the threaded hole. So I have that, that's new. Also, it doesn't quite fit properly, as you can tell. It's kind of sits up a bit high, it's not really level, so I gotta trim that up a bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Probably just gonna take a flap disc to the side and then just send it away, because it's not even angled straight, so that's definitely a no bueno. So I'll get that fixed and then we'll go from there. Sorry my garage is a mess. I plan on cleaning up, but I'm just really lazy. So what I'm gonna do is put this on where it goes on the pedal, and then I'm just going to make it straight and then kind of mark an outline with the Sharpie on the other side, and then I'll flap disc it down. Man, I need to clean up, but who's got time for that, right? So I just drew a little mark right here, and then we're just going to flap disc around that. I know there's probably a logical solution. Maybe they sent me the wrong one, but I really don't want to wait for another one. I really don't have time, so I'm just gonna, you know. Alright, so we fully got the clutch pedal hooked up with the adapter in there, and then this, I don't like how this can still kind of shimmy back and forth. I really don't like that. So I'll do some research with this and see what I can do. But other than that, I mean, it's basically good. Alright guys, so today we should hopefully have the last part to get the, that's not the clutch pedal, to get the clutch pedal in, which is the Willwood master, the actual master cylinder. So let's see what we got. So we have the actual Willwood master cylinder, which is pretty freaking cool. We have the separate options for the bigger ones and the smaller ones. We have the actual master cylinder itself, which, oh, okay, I guess I'm not getting it out of the box. So the actual master cylinder itself, I think I'm going to use the smaller one just because I like how short and remote it is. And then this will actually screw into the back of the backing plate, so that's pretty cool. So what we have here, I was just reading the instruction guide, we have this little bracket which gives you the option to make it remote. So that way you can mount this in a separate spot where you actually mount this. But I kind of like having it all in one just because it'll sit nice and smooth in there. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Alright, ooh, Jesus, Vape Nation. Alright, and just like that, we have everything installed. We have the adapter rod connected to the actual master itself. There's supposed to be a little bit of play in it. It's not worrying me. I already pushed it all in the way and everything. These bolts I just found chilling. I don't know the thread pitch because it didn't come with bolts. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I figured I'd show you guys where I'm at right now. I got everything mounted in. I forgot the little backing plate because, yeah, oops. But the reservoir actually doesn't fit back here because, as you can see, the top hits there. So I decided to remote mount it right here. I have it bolted into the fender. One bolt through the back. Don't ask what that is. I have no clue. So I'm just going to go ahead and mount the remote master cylinder here and then get my custom hose made. I think it left it over there, and then just get that made right here, and then we are done with pedals. Alright, so everything is nice and mounted. We got the Willwood master nice and bolted in there, and then inside we have the 3 pedals. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Oh yeah, you can see them now. We got 1, 2, and 3. Like I said, the gas pedal is going to get adjusted to move about 1 inch outward. I just need to have my fabricator make me a plate, but I'm not going to do that until it's running, obviously, because I can't get it there. So yeah, that's it for pedals, and I actually go to pick up the motor today, so I will be doing a reveal on that maybe in the next video. I think I'm going to wait until I cam it, and then yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to do for the next video, but that's it for part 3, guys. I'm really stuck at ending my videos, so I'm trying to get a lot better. So if you like it and you want to keep seeing my progress and everything, I think I showed you guys the interior with the switch panel. So I got this. Oh no, I haven't showed you guys this. So I got this in for the buttons. We're gonna have the ignition, the fuel, the fans, and the accessory. Not in that order, obviously. So next, when I get the harness, I'm actually going to be getting. Next when I get the motor, I'm actually going to be buying a harness. So I'm not doing a 5.3 anymore. I actually got a really good deal on a 6-liter LQ9. So I'm going to be doing that. And then I will probably be figuring out how to wire it. But this is a very nice 3D printed plate from Fitted Customs on Instagram. I already linked him and everything. But yeah, so up next is engine wiring. I actually got a transmission, a T56 for free. I will go and pick that up whenever my friend puts his new one in. It's free because it doesn't have a second gear or a reverse. So I'm pretty excited. I'm really looking forward to this build and hearing this thing start.